Yo there, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, give me a like thumb and subscribe right there. So basically on this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a fake background for your videos, whether on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram and the rest of them. Basically any kind of video. So if you want to fake a background, like you don't like your current background, you want to fake a background, here's how you can do it. All you need to have is a CapCut app. I'll teach you the editing on CapCut. So if you have a CapCut app, you're good to go. So now watch the video to the end and I'll be showing you step by step the instruction of how to make fake background like this. So yeah, let's go.
So yeah, we are right here. So now we want to learn how to we want to learn how to put a fake background. So what we do is that we head on to CapCut. We're on CapCut now. So we add new project. Then first of all, we look for the background that we want. Let's go to photos. The background could be a photo. So now we look for the background that we want. Let's see, we want our background to look like this. Now we add it. Now this one you see here is our background. Don't forget to remove your watermark. Then you enlarge the background, you increase the background to how many lines that the video is going to be. Then what you have to do next is you add an overlay. Then you add the video which you want to use. So let's add this one. Now see, you have added the video and this is the background. So what you should do is make sure that the video laps with the background or anyhow you want it. Then you size the video, that make sure that it sizes the background. Then what you do next now is to remove the background for the video that you just added. So we tap on that video that we added, you look for remove background, auto removal. You see it's removing the background now. So now we just click on this good and wait for this thing to remove the background. Now you can see it's counting up percentage, so the background is being removed. So we should just be patient and wait for the background to be removed. So we are on 70% right now. So your background is removed, so you can see. Now you can see, you can play a video. Now this is a
Welcome to
video
my
will look
YouTube
like.
channel.
As you can see, the background is removed. So you can adjust the background to size the video. Like you can just split it here. Split the background and delete the other part so it's going to match with the video. So you can see this is your background will look like. So like if you're talking about an iPhone, you can just do your background like this. So thank you. But sure, the next thing you do that is to export it. You export it right here, and then you have your video ready to play.
Hey,
So thank
welcome
you.
to my YouTube channel.